Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bittensor token. Ticker symbol is TAO. This token is being listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Bittensor token. TAO is the ticker symbol, just like DAO, but it is TAO. It says TAO will be listed in the innovation zone today at 14 hours UTC time, March 3rd, on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section today, search TAO, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it says Bittensor is an open sourced protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain-based tokenized machine learning network. So obviously artificial intelligence is super popular right now. So this is another machine learning token here. So their Twitter is at Bittensor _. They are verified with the blue check mark. It says incentivizing intelligence. And they have 28,200 Twitter followers. Their official webpage is bittensor.com. So they have a lot of cool tweets here, little quotes. Yeah, definitely check out their Twitter. They have an announcement page on Mexc Global's Twitter. It was posted 22 hours ago, new listing alert. And if you click on details on there, that will take you over to a page that gives you some information. It says max total supply of this token is 21 million tokens. It says Bittensor is an open source protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain-based tokenized machine learning network. The project is designed to accelerate the development of artificial intelligence by introducing an optimized training strategy in which models interact in an incentivized iterative ecosystem while also advancing a more equitable and collaborative approach to its ownership and access. And then it has links to their block explorer that you could check out here. It also has links to their Twitter, Telegram, Medium articles, official website, and a full white paper. Now, I was looking at the white paper earlier, and it is very extensive here. It's only 15 pages, but it's like filled with all sorts of formulas, and it's just like real complex. It'd almost be too hard for me to even go through it in this video and explain it because of all the formulas in between sentences and everything. So too lengthy, but if you want to check that out yourself, you could always click on that. Now, if you want to find more concise information, you can check out their documents, which is at docs.bittensor.com. Over there, they have more information here. So yeah, Bittensor is an open source protocol that powers a decentralized blockchain-based machine learning network. Machine learning models train collaboratively and are rewarded in TAO tokens according to the informational value they offer the collective. TAO also grants external access, allowing users to extract information from the network while tuning its activities to their needs. Ultimately, our vision is to create a pure market for artificial intelligence an incentivized area in which consumers and producers of its valuable commodity can interact in a trustless, open, and transparent context. So Bittensor enables a novel optimized strategy for the development and distribution of artificial intelligence technology by leveraging the possibilities of a distributed ledger, specifically its facilitation of open access, ownership, decentralized governance, and the ability to harness global distributed resources of computing power and innovation within an incentivized framework. An open-sourced repository of machine intelligence accessible to anyone, anywhere, thus creating the conditions for open and permissionless innovation on a global internet scale, and distribution of rewards and network ownership to users in direct proportion to the value that they have added. So it goes over Nakamoto and the history of Bitcoin and all that type of stuff here. So it says the network runs as per our consensus mechanism, such as the most valuable nodes are rewarded with the most stake. Basically, the more Tao you stake, while low-value nodes become weakened at the point of deregistration. So yeah, it goes over the history of Satoshi Nakamoto. Our main network is named after Nakamoto, and what are nodes, servers, and validators, and all that type of stuff. You could read all about that. It's got tutorials on here. It says it was a fair launch token, and there was a halving cycle such that for every 10.5 million blocks, rewards per blocks halve. So there's halving just like Bitcoin as well. Currently every 12 seconds, one block step, a single Tao emits into the network. There will be 64 halving events, with the first occurring in August 2025. So yeah, very similar to Bitcoin. That's why they named it after Nakamoto, and they have nodes and all this type of stuff. I did say token earlier, but obviously this is a coin, just like Bitcoin. Sometimes you could use those words interchangeably if you like, and some people are sticklers about that. But yeah, you can go over their white paper here. They have or their documents or white paper, but on their documents they have updates, installation, wallet, running a miner, server customization, validators, fine-tuning, glossary, Bittensor dataset, codes, tons of stuff on here. So check it all out. This coin gets listed today on Mexc Global, so check out that Mexc Global referral code in the description box if this interests you. Mexc Global is a great exchange regardless. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.